Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor kapati CTV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ewkh University, Meghalaya.
The Department of Fisheries, Government of Meghalaya, East and West Kha Sales District. Hapo ka jing kami, Uspitandan of Fisheries ka West Kha Sales District. Hakash pautrik na itong aja panriyo, ka Rakhe, yaka National Fish Farmers Day. Yaka balapalong, hayang darbar hall, jong ka donggir, pendeng umyong Mairang. Haka ni ka program, lawan menyadan lang daga Deputy Commissioner ka East and West Kha Sales District, kakong Anita Kharpor, kum kakong san. Kabalayo ru ban pelait pajba, ya arteli ki tuk-tuk, ki badan lang yak icebox. Yak balayo ling ba ka scheme Pradhan Mantri Mastya Yojana, arajar arpulai apsaw. Katanat rido akha jong district, haka ni kasngi galayo ru bansa mi kisarnon, jong gajing itu ikisangut ki progressive fish farmers, ki balayo ikijingerap nak sarkar, ling ba ki scheme baper. Shushu haka ni kasni kerpang jong inong rido akha, katanat rido akha ka Eastern West Kha Sales District, klayo ru bansa ikisembay do akha, shikinong rido akha, jong ka Mairang bat mau Raishan Block. Yaga pang pereng jong kani ka program, layo ban pensyai da ka Fisheries Officer ka Mairang ka kong job len ling do long line, balayo ru yaga jingkran lingkon, no ba Rodolph Pakanten, SMS Fisheries, KVK West Kha Sales District. Kiwipat kibedan lang, hakani sngi ki kentup, yaki district head, bat ki officer na kilain department baper. Kum ka Agriculture Department, Soil and Water Conservation, SMS Fisheries, KVK West Kha Sales District, SDO Water Resources, Office of the Registrar Cooperative Society, MCAB, Cooperative Apex Bank, bat kinong rido akha na Mairang bat Raishan Block.
Ngikit bok ketwem, kagani bokori, bakan yat, yang kan yat bet. Ini kapes. Hakani kasbi kumbala ongi ba Rudolf ni ke mau ya kidu ki jingno senyang jo kita ki scientists haki bor manshwa man penlong man penurlong ya kaneka fish farming kabalong in a big scale haka scale ka bahe menta ringkat mat ka jing kan mau borom ki ni penko purom ru yaki scientists neki non trainee kam jongka fisheries baro ki baya aya kata kajing modin perkhat kajing nang jing start bat kajing tray shitong jongki ban penkiu yakani kajing ri Dohkha ban pendak penbiam ya kajing don jongka Dohkha haka ri India hi berokawai. Yik penko puram terpam ya kita ki fish farmers lani ki nong ri Dohkha haka de kasni. Kumbala lamprang iba Rudolf bari kong job kajing ri Dohkha menta untang haka ri jomi henry haka jela jomi ru kalanang kiu. Kalanang kiu namar ba lasuk panyo yakitaki fingerlings lani ki sambay Dohkha. Hoy haka jela juni nyempat la ban pendap ya kajing don kam jong ka Dohkha ban ma for consumption bagi orang kakten pareng ka sambay Dohkha ro nidang hapan yale shitom hi ban pendap. But kini ki schemes kiba kapan try kam ka Fisheries Department but kajing no senyang jong iway na pedang jong pi ki nong ri Dohkha ni ngets kan bakata kajing don kam jong ka Dohkha haka jela jumi ngin sala pan benda penbiang daladihi. Ho yang simbol kendiak tendai num slam bangin long self-sufficient bagyo. Ngin la apan pendakli daladi. Ngila yo small by ong ikong job, but ba Rudolph ba ka Eastern West Khasi Hills ka long ka Jaka ka babyang ba banri ya ka trout fish ka Dohkha trout. But kata ka Dohkha ka kam shong don ban yakini ki bigi Dohkha beniari mentah. Dengan kentu yaki nongri Dohkha ban shimla yakini schemes ka bagian. Kenang ba ka jingyo jinggot kanang game. Ginong rap Dohkha tang bagi yo ban kamay nam ta kayeng kasem ray ki kitiyo ru ya ka jingyo jinggot jong kadong kashnong ka district hi barok away but ka jala hi barok away. Nalor na ka taka economic gain na ni ka jingyo nong jingyo jinggot na ka ni ka jingri Dohkha. Ka jingri Dohkha kawan ra ru kiwe ki jingmantoy. Haba kidon ki pong Dohkha niyo ha district jomi kidon ru kitu ki Ewkh Park. Haba kidon kita ki Ewkh Park kaya rap ru ban nang pen Tnat ya kamay Mairang. Kaya rap bangin penne pensa ya kamay Mairang. Kaya rap ru ban kreng ya kiduras. Di kata ka jing nang yo jing bentoy kanang kam ya. Kumbala yatu mentan ba na idon iba yo certificate mentan iba di yo certificate idiri kita ki ornamental fishes lani kita ki Dohkha kibala jan dojan kibalong local chane de nakata ka jingri Dohkha la aroban preserve kitu ki Dohkha kibala jan dojan but la aroban nang penroy kita ki ornamental fish kiba kam remdong de kata ka business jumpi kata ka jing kamay jumpi kanang yar de sashisin ngakan tu ya ginora Dohkha ba nginang kêu shaprang nginang ya shaprang nginang minor nginang shim kabu ye ki schemes ki paper but nginang yathu but nginang benslur ru ya ki wei ki parashnong ki parathao bakin shim kabu ye ki ni kilat kelenti ban penroy ye ki jing yo jing kot jumle.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.